In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add AdBlock to Google Chrome. If you're tired of pop-up ads, banner ads, and other distractions while browsing, this guide will help you install an ad blocker in just a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then visit the Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type AdBlock and press Enter. You'll see several ad blocking extensions, including AdBlock, AdBlock Plus, and uBlock Origin. Choose the one you want to install. Click the extension to open its details page, then click Add to Chrome. When Chrome asks for confirmation, click Add Extension. Wait a few seconds while Chrome downloads and installs the extension. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the AdBlock icon in the top right corner of Chrome. If you don't see it, click the extension's puzzle piece icon and pin the AdBlock extension to your toolbar for quick access. From now on, the extension will automatically block most ads while you browse. You can click the AdBlock icon anytime to pause it on a specific website, whitelist trusted sites, or customize its settings. If a website asks you to disable your ad blocker to access its content, you can temporarily pause the extension for that site and enable it again whenever you like. That's how to add AdBlock to Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.